Right, hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sat in the Range Rover in between rain showers, trying to do a bit of work to it, a bit of loose ends that I still haven't done. There's a lot to do on here, but the weather is just a pain. So the main job I want to do today is replace the backup camera. Funny enough, it's intermittent, it's actually been cutting in recently. I don't know if there's a weather thing or temperature or just slamming the boot a certain way, but it does need a new camera. I mentioned in one of my first videos that I'd ordered one a bit more adjustable. So it's from Luxury Land Rover Upgrades version 4. And you see it's got a little adjustable thing on there, which I think is quite a good idea, because I always thought that the original camera sort of points a bit too far back. You kind of want to see where your bumper is. So I'm going to give it a go. Powerful UK do a really good one as well, but it's less custom than this one. This one is definitely very custom. So yeah, it'd be good to see what this is like really, and if it works, and if I can get it to work and fit and everything. I quite like that he's put splits in the cables, so you can make it a bit easier to plug in places. But obviously, because I'm doing that, which is sort of in the spoiler area, I'm going to be sitting on the tailgate a lot. And if you remember my last video on the Range Rover, we may have broke it a little bit. Standard procedure with these, they rust out. So the set that I bought in that episode are here. They've been sat there waiting to go on. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, really. Probably quite a quick video. So I'm just going to get straight to it. Right, no wonder this one broke first. If you look at that, it's under tension. Slightly kinked up. And look at this one. Brand new one I put on there. So super tight, and they're definitely the same lengths. Anyway, let's get the spoiler off, shall we? 1, 2, 3. I've actually had this off already to clean the washer jet out, so it's a bit easier. But I'm also going to pop this trim off. I just think it'll be easier to get to the wires if I do. I need to put the camera down to do it though, because it's a bit of a fiddly one. Oh, there was something going on with the wiring here that I didn't like. You can see it's tape. I don't think that's factory. Right. Cool. Okay. Right, so brake light wiring, I think, and camera wiring. I need to save these grommets, so this one's obviously not changing. This one, I think I can slide off, like cut the plugs. And the new one has a bit of a join, an extra join, so I'm just going to check this power cable's correct first. How did I know that was going to happen?
Stop! He's already dead.
Yeah, sorry about the noise, but that's the one that's going in. As you can see, the old one's come out in pieces. So it doesn't look too bad actually. I can't see much damage. So I'm wondering if there's another issue coming. It's going to appear rear its ugly head, but we'll soon find out. I've just got to get the rest of this out now. Right, so one thing I like about this camera is you've got this little file lead bit here, which means you can feed the grommet through. To get it off the old one, I had to cut it, but now I can reuse the same grommet, which is quite nice, I think. Good touch. Right, so one thing I've noticed, it seems to have a little grommet there for loosening this and adjusting it. So broke out the trusty keys from Allen. Slight flaw in this is obviously that's really the only adjustment you get. I'm guessing there's wiring behind it. It feels like there's wiring. I don't want to. It's the wiring that's holding it off. Right, so I've just got the spoiler rested on the rear at the moment with the camera all plugged in. Thought I'd come in and test it. There is actually a little secret menu. So, key ignition 2. I'm going to turn off the audio. Go to the home bit. Okay, so you want to go back to the home menu, which is that. And then you hold the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you hold this one and you get this pin entry. Pin's the same in all the cars. It's 753. There we go. So video input tests, click that. Rear view camera, there you go, look. That is working. It's facing a weird way. Yeah, the whole thing's on its side, which is a wee bit odd. It's suboptimal is what I'd say. Right, so shut up. So what I found was that when I undid that grub screw, it also rotated, which I wasn't expecting. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Oh, have I gone too far the other way now? I think I have. Right, I'm going to leave this on, probably absolutely annihilate my battery. I'm going to go adjust it again because bit more use of that. Let's go have a look. Yeah, that is a lot better. A lot better. Fantastic stuff. Cool. I'm going to turn this off now and go bolt everything up. Right then, job's jobbed. Wasn't too bad in the end. The main issue was that interior trim panel was a bit brittle and awkward. I managed not to break any clips, but it was just still a pain. And I don't even think I needed to remove it in the end. So yeah, good fun. It did make things easier though. So yeah, new rear view camera. What do I think of it? Well, for something pretty homemade, you know, one-man band type of thing, I thought it was a pretty good product, to be honest. It obviously works. There's a degree of adjustability to it, which I quite liked. And I like how much easier it is to fit because he's put that sort of brake in the lead with a really thin connector, so you can get it in there really easy. I don't know if you could test it before you sent it. Like, how would you without a like a Range Rover to plug it into every single one you make? So that's probably why the camera came 180 degrees the wrong way around, or at least 90. Or it could have been me fiddling with the grub screw because it did want to rotate every which way. So I can't really knock him down for that. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't fit great because it's obviously a 3D printed part that's been bonded together a bit. So that could probably be better, but other than that, it's a pretty decent product. I think I paid about 100 quid delivered in total. I'm pretty pleased with that. I've got a reversing camera again, which is good, and I've got boot straps again, which is even better. If you have noticed or haven't noticed, I'm wearing merch. YouTube seem very keen to push to sell merch and what have you, so I feel really uncomfortable doing that at the moment. I don't think my following's big enough, or you know, I don't want to start feeling like I'm begging you for money or something. So I've created the website just to knob around, put in my logo on things, and I got a sweat hoodie sent to me. If you do want anything, I can link the website. Just let me know. Price wise, it's kind of like I've just made it as cheap as I can, so I'm not really making any money on anything anyway. But yeah, that's it for my really terrible sales pitch for merch, I guess. And for the video, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share the videos and stuff. It'd be great to grow the audience a bit more so I can do more of this, or at least justify doing more of this. As ever, thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Yeah.